Before we understand what is DOM-based XSS, let me tell you something. If you Google what is DOM, you will see big complicated definition, and honestly, it makes no sense when you're just starting out. So let me explain what is DOM in easiest language possible. DOM is simply the way your browser understands and controls a web page. That's it. When a website loads, it sends HTML code, but your browser doesn't just display raw HTML. It converts that HTML into a live structure where every button, every image, every text becomes something JavaScript can control. That live structure is called the DOM. If JavaScript wants to change text, show a pop-up, hide a button, or update something dynamically, it talks to the DOM. So in one line, HTML builds the page, DOM makes it controllable, and JavaScript controls it. Now let's take a look at the practical. Now let's say this practically using a lab from PortSwigger. Here you have to click access the lab. Here in the search bar, I will type something like debugger Dhamya, and I'll click on search. You can see the page says 0 search results for debugger Dhamya. Now if I inspect this and go to source, here we will search for our input, which was debugger Dhamya. You can see my input is directly inserted into the page, and this is not just HTML source code, this is the live DOM created by the browser, and my input is now part of it. Now imagine instead of normal text, I enter something like this. And if the website inserts this into the DOM using something like inner HTML and does not sanitize it, let's see what happens. The script executes, and this is DOM-based XSS. The server didn't store anything, the server didn't reflect anything, everything happened inside the browser, and that's why it's called DOM-based. In the next video, we will compare all the three types of XSS. We will also talk about what is blind XSS and some preventive techniques.